Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, I decided to do another what I eat in a day. Boom, 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 bam, bam. Today, this time's gonna be interesting things. I don't have on no clothes. That's why I'm feeling like, why did I start recording and I don't have on no bottoms? But yeah, so boom, let's get into her. Make sure you guys subscribe. Ooh, my edge, I gotta fix my hair. My hair done. I ain't been in the mood, y'all. Like, I said I was gonna do some cleaning, but the way my back is set up right now, it's just crazy. As long as the kitchen clean and the living room clean, like all that, I'm tired. Look, so we have some overnight oats. I'm finna add an apple. I forgot I got my apples. I'm finna chop that up. Got some strawberries and we got some blueberries. Every time I get some strawberries, y'all, it literally does not last. And I got some Greek. I didn't mean to get the strawberry one. I meant to get the plain one. What the fuck? I'm just now looking at this and seeing that it's strawberry when I meant to get the plain one. Anyway, got some Greek yogurt and stuff like that. So I'm finna fix her up and then I'm finna show you guys, okay? Okay. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to eat. I got me a parfait with Greek yogurt, strawberries, blueberries, and granola. And I got me an overnight oats. Y'all see how I made that with the same thing except for granola. I put apples in here. Then I just tried to make this with the leftover apple because I didn't want to waste it. You know, I put peanut butter, strawberries, and oats on here. I'm not going to eat the whole thing. I know you guys look like, damn, that's a lot for breakfast. Honestly, it's not. It's like 1 cup of what's the name, and I literally put like $3 of yogurt and the rest is fruit, and that's a half an apple slice. So yeah, so we're gonna see what we're gonna do for lunch. I might do a salad for you guys and we're gonna see. Like, I'm very excited. I know you guys can see me make it. I'm gonna include clips from TikTok. Make sure you guys follow me over there as well. So I'm finna make my salad. We don't got no cheese. I'm making a salad without any meat. It's still gonna bust, you know. It's still gonna bust. I don't give a damn. It's still gonna bust. So yeah, got the tomatoes, got the carrots, got the broccoli, got the mix, spring mix, and we got some onions chopped up. And yeah, we're gonna put some ranch on it. That is it for the salad. So this is our salad. This is my salad. Boom, being with wham.
This is my salad.
He didn't want no carrots, so I got broccoli, carrots, onions and tomatoes, and he just got without the carrots. So I'm gonna put a little bit of ranch. We only got a little bit left. So yeah, this is a little healthy little lunch we having. He's doing his homework. Y'all can't believe this is 3rd grade homework. Hold on, let me show y'all the real passages. Can y'all believe this is 3rd grade homework? Like, what? Let me know. Let me know. If y'all got kids, y'all watching this, let me know it's this 3rd grade homework.
Especially that. That is, yeah.
But anyway, finish doing what you was doing. What you was writing on?
I was writing on this page. I was just writing on this page.
Okay.
Y'all
ain't gonna believe this. Look at my crusty lips. Like, girl, y'all ain't gonna believe this. I'm so mad, y'all. I literally forgot to vlog like when I was at the store. No shade. Like, why is this always happening to me? But yeah, y'all, so I finally went grocery shopping or whatever. Y'all, I tell y'all this all the time. I gotta do things in increments. You understand? I can't go to the grocery store, clean up, and, you know, do all these things at one day. So, we're gonna be cooking together today. I guess we're gonna be vlogging that since I didn't get the grocery store run. I wasn't gonna vlog my cooking day with y'all because it's kind of like a cheat day at home. I've been eating real strict, so and working out real bad. Like, my body just now feeling better. Like, I was in pain, real sore for the last couple of days, y'all, and it hasn't been no joke. Like, no shade, it ain't been no joke. So I'm just now feeling better. I done got a whole bunch of stuff to meal prep. I'm excited, y'all. I just went ahead on and broke down and just got a whole bunch of groceries that we actually needed. So yeah, I spent about, I would say about $300 in the last, what, week and a half on groceries, like in food. Like, it's just insane. But it's okay, because I got a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables, got my salads. I'm gonna make a jar salad thing with you guys. They did not have no cucumber. I want to make like a cucumber salad, like with my dude Logan. Like, bro, why is all these fucking dishes in the sink? Every time I come to the kitchen, some fucking dishes in the sink. That's why I don't be wanting to cook now. No shade. Every time I leave, the house supposed to be cleaned. But yeah, y'all, so I'm finna get the rest of these groceries out the car. And then my son finna get off the bus. And then we finna start, I'm finna start cooking. I'm finna start cooking and doing his homework. And people just like dragging me on TikTok. Well, not dragging me, they dragging the situation. I don't think they dragging me, but I really don't give a fuck. Like, I'm going viral again over some stupid shit. No shade. It's no drama. Nobody going live. Like, look at my lips. Ooh. I ain't cleaned up. I overslept today. Like, life has been lifing, bro. Life has been lifing. Young Miami and Ari kissing. Ooh. Ari. I know I don't go that way, but girl. I know we all feel like that about Ari, girl. That girl, ooh, child. She had Young Miami had posted some of her story. Ari was shaking that mug. Oh, I said if I went that way. Y'all, this shit heavy as hell. So, since today is a cheat day, y'all, I'm trying to see. I thought I wanted to fry these. Honestly, I thought I want to fry these. Girl, get it out. Shit. Ooh, I'm tired. Honestly, I thought I wanted to fry these wings, but the way life just started getting set up, hey, I don't even want to do it no more. I'm going to throw that shit in the oven. But I wanted the fried wings. I don't know, but it just takes too long. Gotta grease it and all this extra stuff, and I gotta, But anyway, y'all, I'll come back when I start cooking. So right here, y'all, I'm just putting up the groceries so I can get prepared to cook, and I'm leaving everything out that I need in order to, you know what I'm saying, get started before my son get off the bus. Y'all, now I'm finna get into her. So now I'm finna show you guys everything I have laid out. Like, this was just a lot, y'all. This is reminding me why I don't fry food. So I got my yams out, got my chicken out, got my batter ready, I got my grease, you know what I'm saying, getting hot. I got everything laid out for the macaroni and cheese, everything for the yams, like just everything on everything. So of course your girl gotta get her content. If I'm recording for one platform, I can record for another. So of course I'm recording for TikTok as well. Make sure you guys go follow me over there at OldSBK too. Yeah, so you know I had to season the chicken and I had to season the flour. I really don't like seasonings and stuff or flour on my hands. Like, ugh, my gosh, cringe. I was making some honey and garlic lemon pepper chicken. I know, a lot. So I put garlic salt, onion powder, um, seasoning salt, which I don't use like that, but it's like, you know, it's okay. I use that instead of salt. And I use lemon pepper, then I use pepper as well. And yeah, it came out actually good as hell. But I wish, honestly, I would have like, and I used a little bit of Miss Dash, but honestly, I wish that like I would have kind of ate before I were put the sauce on it, like at the last minute, because like I got done with the food, then I had to do some other things, and yeah, it kind. So guys, don't judge my yams, but I'm doing a little different though. I do not peel, cut, and do my yams. It's not Thanksgiving. I'm not doing all that. Yes, I know how to make everything from scratch as well, but nobody's doing it at all. So I got the canned ones and I got the ones that go in the oven. If y'all never seen these sweet potato patties at Walmart, they be in a cut. They is real good. All you gotta do is dress them up. So I put brown sugar, regular sugar, and cinnamon inside of my ones on the stove, and some butter. And I did the same thing for the ones that's gonna go in the oven. Y'all gonna see the process, because I put the ones on the stove on top of the ones in the oven, then I put it both in the oven. You get what I'm saying? You gonna see what I'm saying in a minute. So boom, I got my first batch. Yeah, it's my first batch. My first batch of chicken on. Everything is simmering. Everything is cooking good. Like, yeah, when I feel like I'm cooking a big meal, like for like a big family, I be feeling like overstimulated. Like, I be like, what? But did y'all see what I was talking about with them yams? So we on our last batch of chicken. Everything is in the oven. Excuse my oven. I'm not an oven cleaner. I'm used to staying in apartments and I don't stay there long. So, and I barely be cooking sometimes. But yeah. So this is everything that's done. Everything looks golden, especially these wings, y'all. And let me drizzle a little sauce on here. But this is what I was talking about. I wish I would have waited until like I was literally finna eat to toss the wings, because my son was still doing his homework. I still had to prep the banana pudding, which I already had started prepping, and I put it in the refrigerator. I had to do a quick little session with my bestie Westie, and it's just like just too much. But everything came out actually great. So this is how we made the banana pudding, because I don't think I got a lot of clips of the banana pudding. So I posted my little TikTok in there. Yes, I do be posting how-tos and stuff like that on TikTok as well. So if you guys want to learn, go ahead over there, because I'm going to start switching up my content. I feel like I be doing like other stuff, and I feel like sometimes my calling and my passion is like lifestyle and how-tos, get ready with bees and stuff like that. I'm going to start getting to her. So I got 3 bananas, I got a whole bunch of strawberries, I got my vanilla wafers, I got the shortbread cookies, and yeah, so we start by chopping up everything, then just start layering. Once you get your pudding to set, you mix it in with the Cool Whip, and yeah, it's pretty like self-explanatory. But if you don't know how to make banana pudding for real, just go to YouTube and click the first video. No shade. Guess I had to be extra and be a big back and crumble up them vanilla wafers on top. But yes, look at her. Granted, it's not the prettiest that I made, but yeah. So guys, this is the banana pudding with the strawberry banana pudding. I put strawberries in there, fresh strawberries and fresh bananas. And yeah, let me cover it back up. Okay guys, that was after a long night of cooking and slaving over a stove. I just blowed it down, and I'm gonna blow another one, face another one alone. Like after you have a session, you always supposed to face one by yourself. Like I don't care. I made banana pudding and I'm finna eat some. I gotta fix my bed real quick. But yeah, y'all, like this has just been like insane. Like I'm just tired, but I did it. I went to the store. I forgot to vlog that part. I'm so mad at myself, y'all. I forgot to vlog when I was at the grocery store, but it's cool though. Hez, can you help me fix my blanket? I mean my sheet. Help me fit my sheet. But yeah, so that is the end of this vlog. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.